Thank you for visiting the CoinSeries channel again. Following Solana's earlier flip, XRP is having an incredibly interesting day. On the other hand, XRP might be about to hit 70 cents or perhaps $1 due to some major news. What am I talking about when I say in a little while? What does 2024 hold for Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz? Also covered will be the day-to-day events surrounding XRP. Watch this video to get the lowdown. For those who are bullish on XRP and would like to watch more videos about cryptocurrency, you can enable notifications by pressing the subscribe button. In addition, to see more XRP content, you'll have to hit the like button. I can tell that my work is valuable to you because of that. Put that out of your mind for the time being and look at the market, which is worth $1.62 trillion right now. The Solana, as said before, has had an incredible run, and Solana did, in fact, flip XRP today. If you didn't see my video earlier, I had some fantastic news to share with Solana. However, XRP will be one of those coins that nobody pays attention to until its value skyrockets. To some extent, I'll get into that in this video. The weekend was quite quiet, and the market cap is currently $33.2 billion, with XRP trading at approximately 61 cents. Volume is up about 22% at 1.4 billion. Okay, what's going on right now? What about the current situation? The most crucial event of the day is about to unfold. XRP is now officially recognized in Ireland as a provider of virtual asset services. I know you're probably wondering, the time is now, if you will. But that isn't the most important news in the world. But you need to understand that statement exactly. Also, as mentioned in the December 20th statement, Ripple's registration as a VSP demonstrates its commitment to working closely with regulators around the world to promote the benefits and application of blockchain and cryptocurrency technologies in the corporate world. First, I'd like to go over the details of the big liquidity deals that XRP has been making with places like the Saudi government, CBDCs, HSBC, Bank of America, and MasterCard. If it isn't obvious that they are building a global infrastructure to facilitate borderless payment systems, then I don't know what to say. The report continued, nonetheless, by saying Senior Vice President of Strategic Initiatives at Ripple, Eric van Middelburg, said that the move by the Central Bank of Ireland strengthens Ripple's position in the region. Think about that for a bit. The Central Bank of Ireland is in charge of the country's currency. Ireland is a great place for Ripple and other virtual asset businesses to operate since it has a reputation for being a jurisdiction that is supportive of this sector. Because it makes industry regulations more clear. This strengthens our decision to use Ireland as our primary base for EU regulation. Ireland and the European Union as a whole are demonstrating trust and dedication to digital asset payments and fintech ecosystems for the long haul. What a stunning change of events, if you ask me. For me personally, it's about getting a foothold in what may be the European market near the UK. In addition, I think it's really strategic. We're all familiar with Monica Leung's comments and their objectives for 2024 linked to the international monetary and payment system. From what I can see, David Schwartz thinks it's a fantastic development as well, especially in light of his forecasts for 2025. From this, we can deduce several intriguing things. I intend to read the whole article, but if Schwartz is to be believed, it will be 2024. The story claims that the coming together of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence will cause a dramatic shift in the financial services and cybersecurity industries. Through XRPL, we are re-establishing ties with banking, finance, and institutional capital. What makes this story intriguing is that according to Schwartz, AWS tokenization on the XRP ledger will improve collateralized lending, increase interoperability, and revolutionize the financial industry, leading to institutional adoption. This is especially true for real estate and commodity-led blockchain economies. Actually, he doesn't just make things up. They are presently working on this. This will be the final stage of collateralized lending. Give me the rundown, please. This is a huge departure from the previous narrative of fractionalized banking, in which you and we split your funds. In the end, Ripple wants to figure out why there is an obvious disparity between the amount lent out and the amount maintained in the bank, which is 90%. Last but not least, the research forecasts an increase in institutional volume on DEX-powered decentralized exchanges, which should lead to more growth and liquidity in decentralized finance. The CEO has announced that the XLS40 replacement for Ripple will bring DD compatibles. In tandem with the issue of how to acquire the substantial sums from banks, the XRP ledger has ushered in a new era of financial innovation, privacy, and security. How is it possible to tokenize assets on a decentralized platform that spans the entire world? In my opinion, that is precisely the location where Ripples are establishing their base. Thus, whereas Solana did change Ripple, this slip did not change XRP Ripples. Who has any idea what the future may bring? How much longer we wait is anybody's guess. The idea of building an ecological system and infrastructure on a global scale is something that I think people are losing sight of. Regarding Ripples, this token won't skyrocket in value in a matter of days, rather, it will descend to $1 in value before you know it. It might cost anywhere from $1 to $52 to $10, and I think it's 100% cut. I think Ripple has a lot of passionate supporters because of that. It would be irresponsible to ignore the ongoing legal battles or the recent rise in cases linked to rulings handed down by federal courts. In addition to XRP's assertions about Ripple's tokenization, there is the ongoing legal issue regarding the aforementioned building and all of these collaborations. Furthermore, Ripple's emerging cooperative networks are a critical component in XRP's potential future growth. Many are looking forward to a big 2024 for Ripple. This article uses the company's recent partnerships with MasterCard and SBI Holdings of Japan to prove that they've been growing, making an effect, and that XRP is becoming more valuable in the fintech industry. When XRP's anticipated cryptocurrency, expanding partnerships, and supportive legislative choices all converge in 2024, it might be a turning point. It is my firm belief that the bull run will propel XRP to new all-time highs, if not beyond them. What is the current price situation? We have just started a new day at about 261.58. Could the current price gain from a retest, maybe rebounding from the lower support level in the 59.48 range? As time goes on, our price drops below that volume index. Indeed, there is a good deal of activity on the Oscillator Pro, and the price might be getting ready to resume its rise following a recent breakthrough, with targets at 60 to 83 and possibly 63.60 in the near future. As a result, XRP needs careful monitoring. Solana may have turned it around in the near term, but I think Ripples is a fantastic hold to have in the long run. Do you have any opinions? Please leave a comment. What are your opinions on the idea of working together? When the next bull run rolls around, do you think Ripple will be among the top 3 cryptocurrencies again? If so, why? Your viewpoints are always intriguing to me. Your attention in seeing the video is greatly appreciated. It would mean the world to you if you liked, subscribed, and shared this. Goodbye for now.